Guam's reefs are home to many iconic animals, from mantas to turtles to sharks to hundreds of species of fish, and the reason they too call Guam home is because of our coral reefs. Corals provide safe places for fish and other creatures to hide from predators day and night. They also protect us by making waves smaller before they make it to land, and this precious natural resource is under threat. Because the ocean has been getting warmer, it makes some corals sick and even die. We call this bleaching. When corals bleach, they lose their colors and you can see their white skeletons. While sometimes they can get better, they often never do. And sometimes corals will try to fight the bleaching and start glowing, which shows they're struggling to stay alive. Because we have lost so much coral, scientists are taking action with coral gardening. The University of Guam Marine Lab has 2 coral nurseries on island. One is in the Cocos Lagoon and the other is in Petey Bay. These nurseries focus on one kind of coral called staghorn acropora because they are especially sensitive to bleaching. Corals are raised in a variety of structures to figure out which ones work best and then outplanted onto the reef. Similarly, the Guam Coral Reef Initiative has 2 coral nurseries. One is at Dogleg Reef outside Family Beach, and the other is also in Petey Bay. They grow different kinds of corals and use other structures to grow them on as well. Maintaining coral nurseries come with their own sets of challenges, like scrubbing algae off of places they're not supposed to be, or keeping the coral trees floating because their corals grow faster and heavier in this setting. My favorite has to be when we take corals from the nurseries and plant them. We get to see the fish coming back to check us out and see their new homes. Even with the hard times our reefs are dealing with, life goes on. Amongst bleaching corals, here is a male and a female octopus trying to make octopus babies. If we can do things like ending human-caused wildfires and planting trees to control erosion, if we can respond to threats like algae blooms in sensitive areas, or managing crown-of-thorns starfish which eat coral, then it could give our reefs more of a fighting chance as scientists work to help corals cope with the coming changes and save our reefs.